Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I'm going to be bringing you a tutorial on the look that you see right here. Now, honest to God, you guys, this was supposed to be a neutral Valentine's Day look, and in the span of like 30 minutes, I now have little hearts stuck to my eyes. So I don't know how I got here. To be honest, this was not what I had in mind at all, but I really like the way that it turns out. I do realize that it's not for everyone, and if you don't like having little things stuck around your eyes or that's just not your vibe, definitely just skip those. I think the look in general is just as gorgeous with or without them. But yeah, I'm super pumped. I hope you guys like it. I am going to do this video as a voiceover just because I didn't know what I was going to do today. Duh. And so I just decided to kind of listen to music while I got ready. And I'm not sure yet, but this video may have two looks in one, or I may just do two separate videos, but I wanted to cover it here in case I decide to do two in one. And if not, then you'll just be graced with another video after this one. So either way, I hope you guys like it. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. And if you do enjoy the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started.
Okay, y'all, jumping right into this video, we are going to double prime, starting with the Touch in Sol No Poreblem Primer in my T-zone, and then moving along to the Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. I'm going to use this all over the perimeter of my face, making sure to rub it in and then start to press it in as well until it gets tacky, and that's when I go in with my foundation. For foundation, I'm using the CoverFx Power Play Foundation. This is an oldie but a goodie for me, you guys. I forgot I had this in my collection for the longest, and I'm so excited I rediscovered it because it is so stinking good. I love the coverage, I love the color, and so I'm going to put this everywhere. And then of course we're going to go in with concealer to hide those bags, honey. I'm using the Jeffree Star Concealer in the shade C13 in all my high points, and then of course I'm going to set it with the Jeffree Star Powder in the shade Beige. You guys, say what you want, this is the best setting powder I've ever tried. It is so stinking good. And now I'm going to go in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, another oldie but a goodie in my collection. I just recently repurchased this, and you guys, I'm obsessed. I remember exactly why I loved it so much. This one is in the shade Deep Bronze in particular, if you're wondering. And then for blush, I'm using the Colourpop Count Me In blush. I love using these blushes with a stippling brush, as I think it helps diffuse the product even better. Of course, everything is going to be linked down below, so definitely check there if you're curious. As far as eyes today, we are going in with the Mikayla X Glamlite palette, a personal favorite of mine. Starting with the shade How You Doin', I'm going rather heavy on the inner corner, and then throughout the top of my crease, I am going to kind of pull this out as if I was going to do a cut crease, but I am way too lazy for that, so that is not what I'm doing. I then do take a smaller blending brush and just kind of connect the outer corner there, and then run it on the lower lash line as well. You guys, this looks complicated, but I promise it is so simple. Next, I'm going in with the shade Willow. This shade is gorgeous, very pigmented, so do be careful, but absolutely stunning. It's like a brown shade with a gorgeous purple undertone. It is so stunning. I'm taking a rather large fluffy brush. I believe this is a M433, and I am putting this pretty much exactly where I put the brown shade, but a little bit lower. And then I do switch to a smaller blending brush to kind of get more precision and really deepen up this outer corner, but it's going on the outer corner. I do wing it out a little bit, and then kind of in the lower area of my crease. Obviously, do whatever works best for your eye shape, but I was just kind of winging it. And then I do put it on the outer third of my eye as well, just to kind of tie everything together. I can't go in without a shimmer as of late. I don't know who I am, but I'm using the shade Manifest, and I'm going to put this all over my eyelid, and you guys, the color is absolutely stunning. After adding lashes, I then decided to go in with these little heart shape, I don't even know what they're called, these little doodads from Midas Cosmetics. And obviously skip this portion if you are not comfortable with putting little things around your eyes, or you just don't have them, or you don't care, because the look without them is absolutely stunning. But I don't know, I went from 0 to 100 here in a matter of mere moments. So I just started adding these to my eyes. I think in total there ends up being 6 little hearts on each eye, and they do kind of go in the shape of like a wing, if you will. But I'm just having a good time here. Again, do what you want. If you don't like it, don't do it, but I think they look adorable, and you could totally put them anywhere you want to, over top of all the crease, underneath the lid, underneath the lid, underneath the lower lash line. You guys know what I meant. But either way, just have fun with this. It's just makeup. Who cares? And then I am going in with the Colourpop Flexitarian highlighter. I am going to use this all over the face. This does include the inner corner, the brow bone, and then all of my normal places, the cheekbones, the nose, and the Cupid's bow. Last but not least, for lips, I am using the Fenty Beauty matte lipsticks in the shade Single. Haha, how fitting. And then I am also going to use the Mikayla gloss. This is the more pearlescent color. They don't have names on them, so I don't know what it is, but just to add a little fun touch to it. And then there you have it, you guys. This is literally it. I'm obsessed with it. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. I am so into doing more like quote unquote graphic makeup as of late because makeup is just so much fun. So who literally cares? So rock whatever you want to. It literally doesn't matter. Have a good time. But I hope you guys like it. Definitely let me know down below. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.